EU crew, EU shipowner. We see today that it's very hard to bring Asian crews to Europe. It's also hard to bring American crews to Europe. No, it's easy. So then, what are you doing there, shipowner? Now, can we mix this American crew with the European crew? Okay, let me think. We are closer. Yeah, see, Spain went to America first and then back. You see, many say they went first, but they never returned. The question is, now, are we going to have rosters of America and the Europe crew together? Yeah, well, do we need this war to find out, well, Jose was right or not? Because perhaps some ships we don't have the dynamic positioning, anchor handling personnel, we don't have the LNG because the talent already was going to Asia, now bring it back. How can you do that? Could we start bunker EU crew? Could we start bunker LNG EU crew? Could we start bunker chemical EU crew? Could we start container cabotage EU crew? Could we start thinking about Italian flag? Not, of course not. Why? Because it's very complicated, these codices and these endorsements and so on. Could we start to think about like general cargo, cement carriers? Could we talk about bulk carriers that the talent know-how went to Asia? Could we bring it back? Yes. Could we have these Venezuela, Cuba, Panama, and Latin countries supply crew mixed with Europeans? Of course, yes. Could we change the language? Perhaps we could think about it. Sí, por favor, gracias. Could we do many things? Yes, dear European shipowner. Now is the time you realize that, of course, we don't have personnel ashore. And that's because of the tax compounding. It's very simple. Now, regarding the supply of the crew is, well, realized that due to this war, due to that, due to the other, due to motivation, due to abandonment, due to this, due to that, okay, there's always excuses, but is it the time for you, dear shipowner, to think about employing ESG, corporate social responsible, goodwill, retention of the talented European crew? Mixed with America. Why? Because it's closer. You see, how can I prove that? Well, we did return, and we do have the biggest business going on, and will perpetually. So let's invest there, and let's try to change the flags and try to change the educational system. Why? Because we're going to be closer. Well, with this war, have we seen it? Okay, think about it, contact Candina, because today we do have European crew available for certain volume of ships, let's say 50 containers, 50 bulk carriers, 50 bunkers, LNG bunkers, let's say 20, and so on. Why? Because they don't want to go to Asia now, you see, Europeans. Therefore, it is an opportunity, but we need to choose the flag, and we need to choose the nationality, and we need a professional to make this policy. Thank you, bye.